Got a new Android and want to bring your precious memories along for the ride? Let's dive into the easiest ways to transfer your photos from one Android device to another. Method 1. Google Photos. This is fantastic for backing up and sharing. First, make sure Google Photos is installed on both phones on your old phone. Open the Google Photos app, select the photos you want to transfer by tapping and holding on the first one, then tapping on others once selected. Tap the share icon, you'll see several options. Tap on Share to Apps, then select Google Photos from the list. Your photos will upload to your Google account. Now, on your new phone, open the Google Photos app. The photos you just uploaded should start appearing automatically. If not, ensure you're signed into the same Google account. This method is great because it also backs up your photos in the cloud. Method 2. Bluetooth. This is perfect for nearby transfers without needing an internet connection. On both phones, go to Settings and turn on Bluetooth on the sending phone. Open your Gallery or Photos app, select the photos you want to share by tapping and holding, then selecting others, tap the share icon, and this time, choose Bluetooth. Your phone will search for nearby Bluetooth devices. Select your new phone from the list. Your new phone will receive a prompt to accept the incoming files. Tap Accept. The photos will then transfer directly to your new device. Keep the phones closed and don't turn off Bluetooth during the transfer. Method 3. File sharing apps. Apps like Files by Google or dedicated file sharing apps offer another quick and reliable way. Install a trusted file sharing app on both devices. Open the app and follow its instructions to create a connection between the phones, often by scanning a QR code or confirming a connection on the sending phone. Browse your gallery or file manager to select the photos, then choose the option to send them via the file sharing app. The files will then be transferred directly to your new phone. Whichever method you choose, transferring your photos is now quick and easy, ensuring you never lose a moment. Happy sharing.